Reflection and transmission wave ripple tank. What is the objective? Firstly is to measure the wavelength. Secondly, to measure the frequency. And thirdly, to measure the speed of water wave. So what is the apparatus? Firstly, the ripple tanker. Secondly, water. 3, lamp. 4, power pack. 5, white paper. 6, ruler. 7, timer. And 8 is camera. So how to do the experiment? Firstly, set up the ripple tank and the white paper like this figure. 2. Fill up the ripple tank with the water, like this figure. Thirdly, put the lamp at the top of ripple tank. Fourth, put the power pack at the vibrating paper and switch it on. Capture the movement of wave with camera, like this. 5. Observe the movement of wave on the white paper and measure it using ruler. 6. Repeat step 1 until 5 and add timer to observe the movement of wave. In the experiment of part A, we can measure the wavelength. So the experiment is look like this. We observe the movement of wave by using the camera. So as we can see the movement of wave. The result that we get is like this. And we can measure the wavelength by calculate the wave of movement of wave, which is 21 wavelengths equals to 14 cm equals to 0.14 meter. So the wavelength is 0.14 meter divided by 21 equals to 6.67 times 10 power negative 3 meter. In the experiment of part B, we can measure the frequency by add the timer. So the experiment will look like this. We set up the timer in 10 seconds to see the movement of wavelength. Also using the step, we use the camera to capture the movement of wavelength. So the result that we get is look like this. How to measure the frequency? We must know the total of wave in 10 seconds. So the total of wave in 10 seconds that we found is 20. So the frequency is 20 divided by 10 equals to 2 Hz. To measure the speed of wave, we must know the frequency and the wavelength. So we get the frequency is 2 Hz and the wavelength is 6.67 times 10 power of negative 3. So we times these two equals to 6.61334 meter per second. So that's all. Thank you.